Welcome to our ultimate guide on the 7 best super automatic espresso machines of 2024. If you're looking to elevate your coffee experience with a machine that does it all, you're in the right place. Super automatic espresso machines are designed to take the hassle out of making coffee, delivering café-quality beverages at the touch of a button. Today, we'll explore 7 top choices that combine convenience, quality, and advanced features to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Let's dive in. Number 1. PHILI 2200 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. The PHILI 2200 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine stands out for its user-friendly design and impressive range of features. This model boasts a sleek, modern look with a compact footprint, making it suitable for any kitchen countertop. The intuitive touch display allows for easy navigation through its various functions, including adjusting the strength and temperature of your coffee. One of the standout features is the Tchibo milk system, which ensures a creamy, frothy milk texture for lattes and cappuccinos without the hassle of manual frothing. The system is easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts that simplify maintenance. The machine's ceramic grinders are durable and precise, ensuring consistent grind size for every brew. In terms of durability, the PHILI 2200 is built with high-quality materials and has a robust construction that withstands regular use. The machine also includes an adjustable drip tray and a large water reservoir, enhancing convenience and reducing the frequency of refills. Overall, this espresso machine is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance appliance that delivers delicious coffee with minimal effort.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. DeLonghi Evo Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. Next, we have the DeLonghi Evo Fully Automatic Espresso Machine, a high-end model known for its versatility and premium features. This machine combines a sleek, stainless steel design with advanced technology to offer a superior coffee experience. The intuitive control panel is equipped with a digital display, allowing users to easily select from a range of espresso-based beverages. The DeLonghi Evo features a built-in conical burr grinder with multiple grind settings, enabling precise control over the coffee grind to suit your taste preferences. Its dual heating system ensures that both the coffee and milk are heated to the ideal temperature, delivering consistent results every time. A notable feature of this machine is its integrated milk frother, which creates rich, velvety foam for cappuccinos and lattes. The milk frother is adjustable, allowing you to customize the texture of your milk to your liking. Additionally, the DeLonghi Evo includes a self-cleaning function that simplifies maintenance, making it a convenient choice for busy coffee enthusiasts. With its durable construction and high-quality components, the DeLonghi Evo offers reliability and performance. It's a great option for those who value both style and functionality in their espresso machine. Number 3. Tchibo Single-Serve Automatic Espresso Machine. The Tchibo Single-Serve Automatic Espresso Machine is a compact and efficient choice for those who value convenience and simplicity. Designed for single-serve use, this machine is ideal for small households or individual coffee drinkers. Its minimalist design and small footprint make it easy to fit into any kitchen space. Despite its compact size, the Tchibo machine doesn't compromise on quality. It features a built-in grinder with adjustable settings, allowing users to select their preferred grind size for optimal extraction. The machine's intuitive controls enable quick and easy operation, with options for espresso, lungo, and other coffee styles. One of the standout features is the automatic milk frother, which provides a quick and easy way to make lattes and cappuccinos. The frother is detachable for easy cleaning, and the machine's removable drip tray and water reservoir add to its user-friendly design. The Tchibo Single-Serve Automatic Espresso Machine offers a practical solution for those who want a reliable, easy-to-use espresso machine without taking up too much counter space. Number 4. Café Affetto Automatic Espresso Machine. The Café Affetto Automatic Espresso Machine is designed for those who appreciate both style and performance. This machine features a sleek, contemporary design with a user-friendly interface that makes brewing your favorite coffee beverages a breeze. The touch-screen display allows for easy customization of your coffee preferences, including strength, temperature, and volume. Equipped with a built-in ceramic grinder, the Café Affetto ensures consistent grind size for optimal flavor extraction. The machine's milk frother is adjustable, providing the flexibility to create various textures of milk foam for different espresso drinks. Its one-touch operation simplifies the brewing process, making it ideal for both experienced coffee enthusiasts and beginners. Durability is a key factor with the Café Affetto, as it's built with high-quality materials that withstand regular use. The machine also features a large water reservoir and a removable drip tray, enhancing convenience and ease of maintenance. For those seeking a stylish, high-performance espresso machine that delivers consistent results, the Café Affetto is an excellent choice. Number 5. Jura E4 Automatic Coffee Machine. The Jura E4 Automatic Coffee Machine is renowned for its exceptional build quality and advanced features. This model combines a sleek, modern design with high-end technology to provide a superior coffee experience. The machine's intuitive interface allows users to easily select their preferred coffee settings, including strength, temperature, and cup size. A standout feature of the Jura E4 is its professional-grade conical burr grinder, which ensures precise and consistent grind size for every cup. The machine also includes Jura's pulse extraction process, PEP, which optimizes the extraction time for a rich, aromatic coffee. The Jura E4 features an integrated milk system that produces creamy, frothy milk for a variety of espresso drinks. The milk system is designed for easy cleaning, with detachable components that simplify maintenance. With its robust construction and reliable performance, the Jura E4 is an excellent choice for those who demand high-quality coffee and convenience. Number 6. Gevi Espresso Machine with Automatic Milk Frother. At number 6, we have the Gevi Espresso Machine with Automatic Milk Frother. This versatile machine offers a range of features designed to enhance your coffee experience. The Gevi machine features a compact, modern design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen setting. Its user-friendly interface includes a digital display for easy control over various settings. One of the key features of the Gevi machine is its automatic milk frother, which creates rich, velvety foam for lattes and cappuccinos. The frother is adjustable, allowing users to customize the texture of their milk foam. Additionally, the machine includes a built-in grinder with multiple grind settings, providing flexibility in brewing strength and flavor. The Gevi espresso machine is built with durable materials and includes a removable water reservoir and drip tray for easy cleaning. The machine's reliable performance and consistent results make it a great choice for those seeking a high-quality espresso machine with the convenience of automatic milk frothing. Number 7. Bosch TIU 20000 307 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. Finally, we have the Bosch TIU 20000 307 Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. This machine stands out for its sleek design and advanced functionality. The Bosch TIU 20000 307 features a user-friendly control panel with a digital display, allowing for easy customization of your coffee preferences. It offers a range of brewing options, including espresso, cappuccino, and latte. Equipped with a built-in ceramic grinder, the Bosch TIU 20000 307 ensures consistent grind size and optimal flavor extraction. The machine's integrated milk frother creates creamy, frothy milk for a variety of espresso drinks, and the frother's detachable components make cleaning a breeze. The Bosch TIU 20000 307 is built with high-quality materials and includes a large water reservoir and removable drip tray, enhancing convenience and reducing the need for frequent refills. With its reliable performance and stylish design, this espresso machine is an excellent choice for those who want a high-quality, fully automatic coffee experience at home. And that wraps up our guide to the 7 best super automatic espresso machines of 2024. Whether you're looking for convenience, style, or advanced features, these machines offer top-notch performance to enhance your coffee experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tips. Share your thoughts or favorite espresso machine in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.